think the best part about being a woman is that we are fearless, confident, powerful, and we can juggle so many things and look amazing doing it.
Five years ago, I would associate a beach body with like six packs and like perfectly toned ties and arms, but now I would associate like a beach body with feeling confident in who you are, flaunting whatever size, shape you have going on, and just, you know, being you.
What I love is the diversity. We all look different here. The bathing suits are just amazing and they fit different in each body type. So even though if it was the same bathing suit, they all look different because our skin color, our hair type, and our shape.
When I was putting on the swimsuit, it was really nice that it just kind of did everything it was supposed to do. You know, that's what swimwear is supposed to do. It's supposed to make you feel confident. It's just so crazy because whenever I put on any of the suits, it was just like, wow, like, you know, this can work. And it's almost rare that I'll put on 5 swimsuits and like maybe there'll be one that will work. But I put on 5 swimsuits today and 5 out of 5 is pretty good.
Every body is a beach body, and it doesn't matter what box you fit in with your shape or your size or what you look like. So I think just embracing it, that everyone belongs on the beach no matter what your body looks like.
I think you should be proud of like what you have. If you got it, flaunt it.